Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to export any of the iClone 3D models with motions like this into Blender 4.0 with full animations, full motions, and everything will work properly. You can see this is Blender and this is iClone 8 3D animation software. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to export it, and this is a pipeline tutorial. And one of the most important key, you must set the export FBX to 24 FPS. So now I'm going to clear everything in the Blender. I'm going to just close it. I'm going to just start a fresh new project here in Blender. And I'm going to clear everything. I press A to select all, and I press delete button to delete everything. So now in iClone 8, I already have the 3D model with the 3D animations. The first step, what we are going to do is just make sure you select the 3D avatar with the animations. You already double click to select it, and then this is the range of the animations. You can see this is the range of the animation that you want to export. Click File, Export as FBX. And here, the most important thing is the FPS. The FPS, you have to choose 24. The target 2 preset, you choose Blender. FPS must be 24. Because in Blender software, the default FPS is 24. So in iClone, you export as FBX to Blender's 24 FPS. Then you have to make sure you choose the range. This is exactly the time range of the animations. And then make sure you embed the texture. The maximum texture size I recommend, as demo, I'm going to just choose it as low as possible. But if you want to have a realistic texture, you can just choose the maximum 4096. So I choose 512. I choose 1024 as the medium texture. I click export, and then as demo, I'm going to export it on my desktop. I'm going to name this as sample. Right, I click save. Then now just have a look. The FBX file is already at here. The FBX. So what we are going to do is open the Blender, click File, Import, FBX from my desktop, the sample, I double click it. Now, just have a look. This one, you just drag to the left, drag to the right. Then, the ends, you have to make sure you cover it. So try to play. Before you try to play, you can just turn on the texture. Then you can see the roughness here. It reflects a lot of lights. You can just click and make sure you go to the material. The roughness, you change it to become 0.9, or you can just put it as 1. Then everything will back to the normal. You try to play. You can see the animations is quite smooth. It is exactly the 24 FPS that I mentioned it. You must make sure you export the FBX with 24 FPS. Otherwise, it will appear very slow. Because by default, if you click File, Exports FBX, by default here the FPS is 60. You have to make sure you change it to 24. If you export as 60, then in Blender it will become a very slow motions that it is not the original motions in iClone. So you must set as 24 FPS to everything look normal. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to export the iClone 3D avatar with the motions into Blender. And I mentioned it again, stress it again, you must set 24 FPS while you are exporting the FBX. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, If you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!